I would hate to even imagine how much a plumber would charge you to replace this. $250 maybe? I don't, and all you'd have to do is pay, all you have to do is pay for the parts. The main thing is getting the right part, you know, for your job, let's say. It feels like it's still stuck to a certain extent, but I'm moving it and it should go. I mean, granted, it's been in there for 10 years and it's got an edge on it. See, there's a rubber gasket, and my guess is it might be hitting something like this as it's being pulled out. It's gotten waterlogged. It might have expanded a little bit. Who knows? Come on. The heck? I think it's just a matter of continuing to work on it here. Get my bad boy pliers in here. See, they're too big. I do have some vice grips. I could grab it, you know, and maybe pull it out that way. I keep thinking water's gonna squirt in my face when I do it, but I should be smarter than that, you know? Okay, all right, I'm twisting it to the right and the left. Now I'm pulling and twisting at the same time. I guess that's might be the trick. Got a little water drippage coming out of there. That's probably normal. Okay. Well, it's coming. It's coming. Come on, Joe. Did you eat your Wheaties this morning? I'm getting all sweaty because I'm getting tense. Okay, there we go. Okay, now I'm twisting it and pulling. Wow. Look at that. There it comes. Man, it's hard. It's hard, but it's coming. Just have to remember. Hopefully I think it'll slide in pretty easy. Boy, I feel weak. Oh, good Lord. Good Lord. Ooh. You got some little rubber washers on the back. I mean, it could have been leaking anywhere. Anywhere it could have been leaking. And see, there's the inside right there. There's your water fills, okay? One, obviously to the right is the cold, the one to the left is the hot. Okay? Wow, we're doing it. Okay, now this has some little screws on it. See right here? I think they're all tight. It came this way, so I don't want to. I'm just testing them. You know, the last thing you want is for one of these to be really super loose. And mind you, it's just threaded into plastic. Well, it's got a nut on the back side, but I don't want to break it or anything. It's snug, and this has just a little bit of a wobble, and the other one had that same thing. Okay, so this should slide straight in. I've got the hole up. Okay, and I'm gonna have to line it up. Man, that could be tricky in itself, because if I don't get it perfect, and if I have to slide it, I may have to grab it and kind of tweak it, because I'll know exactly where it is, you know, when this fits back on here, like that, and the screws are lined up, right? So, okay, good. It's going easy now. It's going easy. Okay, now I gotta just fit it in the hole, because those rubber gaskets aren't fitting in there, and sure enough, there it went. right to there. Now I'm not going to leave that sit on there. I don't want it to fall down there. Granted, there's only a little bit. See there? That's because there's thin set on the back side of this. They put a big thick layer of thin set on there because I got about a 3/8 to half inch gap right there. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna be smart. I'm gonna go ahead and put the screw in it. Okay. And I know there are top 2 screws there, 1 there. Got it lined up that way. Now I'm gonna hold on to this and put it up in there. Before I clamp it down, I'm just gonna start the screws in case I have to slide it around into position, but it looks to be where it's supposed to go. Okay, looks like it's going. Man, wow, I was sweating this for a minute. The hardest part to a project is the unknown. And if you never try something, you're never going to know if you can do it, right? Because guess what? There's more condos around here with more showers that if they leak, I can do this again. And I can charge a plumber's price or a little bit less than a plumber's price and fix it. Okay. Just snugging this up. Not over tight. That looks good. So far so good, huh?